Just about to head into Discoveryland, and I think this is mine and Natalie's favourite land here.
It is, yeah.
Isn't
all
it?
The Star Wars stuff and Buzz Lightyear. It's amazing.
And it's so futuristic looking. It's like, what was that TV programme that was on? Tomorrow's World?
Yeah.
It's like some crazy stuff out there, but it's like, is it steampunk? It's like a steampunk theme.
I love steampunk. It's like Victorian and future at the same time. 100% mad.
It's like a steampunk, all this stuff is here. Very cool. Then we're going to go try and ride this thing called Utopia, which it looks like a wee bit like sort of a go-karts type thing, but I think you're on a track.
And always keep your seatbelt fastened. To make your car go, press your foot down on the pedal. To stop, take your foot off.
Go!
If it's down as much as it can go, so...
Go!
It's going, it's down as much as it can go.
Oh! Put your foot down!
It's down. Look, it's down.
There we go. Natalie almost crashed us.
Oh my god, this is terrible.
Oh. How you getting on your first time driving, Natalie?
This is the worst idea ever letting me drive.
This is brilliant.
Oh my god. I'm gonna bump into the reality.
I'll be alright.
This is highly stressful.
So this is Natalie's first time ever driving and she's loving it.
I don't even drive go-karts.
Oh, it's so cool.
You just keep going, put the foot down. It's down as hard.
That's it.
Oh my god.
You're loving it?
This is so stressful. Are you having the time of your life?
I am loving it. How are you finding it?
No, I'm never doing this again.
No, you're not liking it?
This driving carry on.
This is cool. Driving's easy. Just put your foot down, away you go. Aye, it's a doddle. Aye, you're not liking it?
No.
No.
Oh my goodness. There's like 3-year-olds driving these cars because it's like if they can do it, you can do it. This is giving me a genuine heart attack.
Aye, she's all over the place. I think we crashed. Oh dear.
Terrible.
Yeah, she's not a very good driver.
Oh my goodness. This is supposed to be a relaxing drive. And when it comes to a hill it goes really fast.
That's it, you need to put your foot down, that's the whole point.
Oh, we're just going to Solaria, guys.
We're going to Solaria. Get us off the bumper, get us in the middle of the road.
How do I do that?
Steer, there you go.
The worst.
This is so funny. Go, 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 go!
Oh no, it's a hill, we're going to go fast
go down.
again.
I'm just bouncing. Oh, I'm all over the place. Oh, this is brilliant.
Oh my goodness. Oh no, it's a big hill again.
Oh, go for it.
Oh, it's going too fast.
Oh, I get tears of laughter, man. Oh, this is brilliant. Yeah, needless to say, Natalie's not the best driver.
No, this is like real life Mario Kart, and I lose at Mario Kart. So.
Aye, she's not very good at Mario Kart.
Oh.
We've got a fast pass for Buzz Lightyear, so we're just about to head on to that. Oh.
Stations. Look towards the flight deck for immediate launch to infinity and beyond. Yep.
battle for the galaxy's on, Natalie?
Chris always cheats at them.
Well, we're just about to find out. Oh, I don't think I've got any yet. How are you getting on, Natalie?
Terrible.
So am I. Oh, oh! Now, what's the scores? 600 apiece. Come on, Chris. Look at the scores. Oh, Natalie's beating me. No!
How are you beating me?
Am I beating you? Oh, look at that. I'm beating Natalie. I'm beating you easily, Nats.
Attention, rangers de l'espace. Vos croiseurs spatiaux ont été momentanément stoppés. Veuillez vérifier ainsi. Votre mission reprendra dans un bref instant. Attention, rangers de l'espace. Vos croiseurs spatiaux vont redémarrer. Attention, space rangers. Your space cruisers will now be restarted.
You know when that's red that I can't miss that? This is what I mean, you cheat.
Natalie's moaning because I'm beating her. Look at the scores, guys. Take that. You having fun, babe?
Attention, Space Rangers. You've landed on Planet C. Be ready for anything. Attention,
Look at the scores. Natalie's trailing. She's not doing too great. Oh, and here we go. It's the end big battle. Time for Natalie to turn it round. Take that, Zorg. Oh, looks like it's all over, babe. Oh no, it's no. One last bit. Oh yeah, one last bit for Natalie to pull it back. Quickly, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Keep going. Oh. Right, so guys, the final score is Natalie has 9,000 and I have 400 and 1,015. That means I'm the best.
That's hard.
Just outside of Space Mountain we've got this cool submarine.
It's called the Nautilus.
It's a Nautilus. I think you said it's supposed to be a ride, but it's not opening now.
Down for refurbishment just now. You would go in here where it says like use Nautilus and you go underwater.
That's cool. And then as you can see in the distance to this big cannon, that's where you go on Space Mountain. It shoots you out of there, right up the top to this wee bit that's open, and you can see the castle. We've been on it at night and during the day, and I would say during the day is better.
I like at night better because just at that bit there when you're coming out the cannon you can see the castle all lit up and it's lovely. I like it better.
I missed it. I think I must have my eyes shut.
Yeah, he's scared of cats so he missed it.